My name is Helen Brophy and I'm the Director General of the IPA. The mission of the IPA is to advance the standard and the practice of public administration. And this role is really critical. Why do I say that? Well, in effect, what we are trying to do is equip our public servants with the knowledge, the skills and the expertise that they need to be able to do their jobs. And the effect of that is that we deliver better public services to the citizens of our country. So in that regard, for the IPA, our vision is to be the centre of excellence for leadership and learning for our public service in Ireland. And that also extends internationally as well in terms of other public administrations. But our core focus is really working across the public service in Ireland to improve and deliver better public services. The public service workforce is changing, and it has changed considerably over the last decade. So if we look at the core skills in terms of policy, in terms of the A to Z, for example, of understanding local government, equipping new civil servants and public servants when they enter their roles, that part doesn't change. However, what we are seeing is a major shift in terms of the emerging needs. So what do those areas look like? Well, we're looking at sustainability, we're looking at climate action, we're looking at the impact of AI, we're looking at digital transformation, we're looking at a changing public service workforce. We have a growing workforce, we have increased diversity, we have increased needs across the workforce. So being able to equip them and being able to evolve in line with the type of services and the learning that we have to deliver is really important. So if you look at the IPA's portfolio, and particularly over the last 3 years where we've gone through quite a significant journey of transformation, what you'll see is the content and the areas of learning that we're focusing on are shifting and will continue to shift, which is all part of this natural evolution of making sure that we are addressing current learning needs, but also future-proofing. Now we're seeing artificial intelligence and more digital transformation coming to the forefront, which is fantastic. And this is a huge area of development for the IPA now going forward. To make sure, as I say, that we're future-proofing public servants and that they have the skills and the expertise they need to be able to make the most of AI in an ethical and responsible manner. So we work with the 31 local authorities across the country. We're very much engaged in understanding their specialist needs of local government, which are different and need to be focused on in a way that is specific to their needs at a local level. We also work very much in tandem with the Local Government Management Authority and the City and County Managers Association. So by pooling together our efforts, and what local government has done very effectively with the IPA over the last, a long time at this stage, over many years, has really to build a partnership with the IPA so that that core knowledge and expertise that really is important for local government and those working in that area is collectively harnessed amongst the 31 local authorities. We're very proud of the work we do with local authorities, and it's absolutely critical to bring that expertise and skills and learning to those who are effectively on the front line every day, delivering services at a local level. I feel very privileged in my role to be part of the IPA and to lead the IPA in my position as Director General. One of the main reasons for that is the team at the IPA. The passion, the expertise, the skills, the knowledge that they've developed. For me, it's a privilege to be part of that team and to lead that team into the future at the IPA. I think one of the greatest rewards you can have in this role and in an organisation like the IPA is that the work that we do in terms of the reward, what brings us most satisfaction, is the fact that we can make a difference. Our participants, if our students, if our clients tell us that the work that we have done with them has enabled them to strengthen what they're doing, to improve, focus their efforts in new directions. Ultimately, the benefit is back to the citizens of our country in terms of developing and delivering better public services. That's the greatest reward we derive as a team in the IPA from the work that we do. And I'm very proud to lead that team of passionate people who really care about our mission and our role and strive on a daily basis to do their best for all of our stakeholders involved.